Ajay Bindru, I'm the Group CEO for Supermax. Today's function was all about the WOW. The first is Wonder on the Wheels. We are going to have a direct coverage of over 1 million outlets through these motorcycles, and we are talking about going from anywhere between 2,000 to 4,000 motorcycles on the Indian market, which will cater directly these outlets. And the plans for distribution is, as we have been innovative in the razor blade category. We have launched a 3-blade, which was the world's first disposable, and a 4-blade, which was again a world's first. Those will be coming in Indian market, and that will only happen if we have the proper resources to distribute it through every outlet, and so that consumer can easily find it around in the area. About Supermax, I think we we are born in India. However, we have established a strong distribution base in over 140 countries in last 1 decade, which is 10 to 15 years. Whatever experience we have gained in the 5 continents in the globe, we want to really look Indian market, and we want to explore that, because there's a huge potential where there is ready consumer today to upgrade to these products, which are very high end, and we as a company has done it everywhere in the world, and it is now time for India to see the product line which they have never seen. And in next 3 to 6 months there will be a huge line coming up, products coming up, especially in the blades as well as in the toiletries. We are into the foams and gels and aftershave, lotion, balm, deodorants. So whole line will be presented to the Indian consumer in next 6 to 8 months. Choka is again the world's first 4-bladed disposable, which is upgrading the consumer for a twin blade, because there is no much of a pricing gap. It is almost what currently the twin blade is selling in the market. Choka and triple, the triple is a hat trick, which is a 3-blade disposable and a 4-blade disposable. In performance, it's a great product to shave with, and I think consumer will see it out to their door step in next couple of months, and they will start using it. In overseas, as we have said, in the volume business today, we are the number 2 today in the world, and we are growing rapidly, and currently our demand is more than what we produce, and we are gearing up our production, which I think I have said in the earlier press conferences, that we will be increasing production anywhere between 30 to 40% in next 12 months in all our plants, which are today, we have 3 plants in India, we have 1 in Bangladesh, we have 1 in Mexico, and we are setting up a new plant in Brazil. The women razor category is obviously, it is well established in the overseas markets like Western world, which is Europe and US, which is in the tune of anywhere between 30 to 40%, while as in Indian market it is just growing. And we see it is today, we estimate it between 0 to 5%, but it is growing double digits, which is 15 to 20% every year, and we see a lot of scope. That's why we took decision to launch the Cyrene as an exclusive, which is an exclusive women's product in Indian market, which has been doing very well for us in India. Hyderabad market, we have been pretty dominant in Hyderabad, right from the day one, because our production has been based out of this state. But as the market is growing, we see continuous market growth, and in next 12 months, I think we will take the major share in the market. As I said, product development is happening, and we will be launching very soon the 4-bladed men, but which is upper version of Choka. That will come. That is a SMX4. That will come in market very soon, especially in the key accounts. We have 3 plants in India, and we have 3 plants now in overseas.